Acupuncture for weight loss. It's hard to meet anyone that is not at least a little bit concerned about their weight. The society that we live in, as well as the type of lifestyle that many of us keep, has led to an epidemic of weight gain that all of us are suffering from. Even those of us who are able to maintain a fairly lean lifestyle still struggle because of the difficulty of eating a healthy diet and maintaining our weight. There are some things that can be done, however, in order to help curb your appetite and to lose the extra pounds. Acupuncture is one of these. Acupuncture is an ancient Chinese medical treatment that has been done for thousands of years. Even though it spread throughout many areas of Asia, it really has only become popular in the Western world in the past several decades. Since that time, many tests have revealed that there is a lot of truth in what acupuncture is able to do for us as individuals. In recent years, it has also been discovered that a natural balance in the body is one way for you to be able to combat weight gain and problems with overeating. Acupuncture is a natural way to maintain balance in the body, so they work hand in hand. According to traditional Chinese medicine, we all have an energy about us that is typically known as qi. This energy has two basic parts that are opposite to each other, but when they work in balance, they give us the life force that we need. By manipulating certain parts of our body with acupuncture needles, we are able to maintain the flow of energy and to find that balance that our body needs. This can do everything for us, from removing pain and depression to helping us to maintain a healthy weight. So, if you have been struggling with weight gain or have a difficulty with overeating, acupuncture can help you in several different ways. Not only can it bring you back into a balanced state where your body will work better as a unit, it can also help by suppressing our appetite and making it easier for us to maintain a healthy weight. Although it will still take willpower on our part to a certain extent, by using acupuncture to maintain healthy weight, you will be giving yourself some help along the way.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.